Are you curious about email clients? Today, we're diving into a comparison of Thunderbird and Betterbird. Both tools help you manage your emails, but they come with different features and experiences. Let's explore what each one offers. Thunderbird is a popular email client developed by Mozilla. It's known for its flexibility and customization options. You can easily organize your emails, use multiple accounts, and add various add ons to enhance functionality. It's open source, which means it has a large community that contributes to its development. On the other hand, Betterbird is a fork of Thunderbird. This means it started from Thunderbird's code but has added some unique features. Betterbird focuses on providing a smoother user experience. It includes some enhancements in performance and aesthetics, making it visually appealing. Now, let's look at the key differences. While Thunderbird is more established and has a wider range of add ons, Betterbird aims for a cleaner interface and improved speed. If you want more customization, Thunderbird might be the way to go, but if you prefer a more streamlined experience, Betterbird could be a better fit. When it comes to features, both clients allow for multiple email accounts, but Betterbird has some built in tools for better organization. Thunderbird offers a more extensive library of extensions, which can be great for advanced users. In terms of pricing, both Thunderbird and Betterbird are free to use. This makes them excellent choices for anyone looking to manage their emails without spending money. So, who should choose which? If you love customizing your email experience, go with Thunderbird. If you want something simple and user friendly, Betterbird is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.